Hi there, thanks for checking out my Bujo video. I don't normally do a voiceover on my Bujos, but I think what I'm doing this time requires a little bit more explanation than my usual comment boxes. So this month I'm using cyanotypes to decorate my bullet journal, and I've done a whole video about cyanotypes and how to make them, so I'll link that if you want to check it out. I'll just give a short explanation about cyanotypes and show some clips from that video to explain it, and then I will shut up and get on with constructing the bullet journal. So cyanotypes are photograms, which are cameraless photographs using light-sensitive paper. I'm using this pre-made cyanotype paper that I bought from Etsy, and check out my other video for the full explanation. It's a really simple process. You just take a sheet of cyanotype paper, lay your items on top, put something clear over the top to hold it in place. I'm using a piece of glass. Then put it out in UV light. How long you leave it will depend on the weather. If it's very sunny, it will only take a few minutes. If it's overcast, it will take longer, so some experimentation is required. Once it's done, rinse it under cold water for a minute or two. Then leave it to soak in water for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then you just leave it to dry. It may be considered a bit extra to do this all for a Bujo, but I do love making these and I have loads of them already, so I wanted to use them for things other than just sticking them on my wall or using them in a photo album. The actual setup this month is quite easy, so that kind of offsets it because all I'm doing is just cutting out the cyanotypes as decoration. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I will be quiet now and just get on with constructing the rest of the bullet journal. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more arts, crafts and Bujos.